doing, Vada?
I'm driving the tractor.
What to do what?
To get the hay.
For who? Mimi?
No.
For Mommy?
No.
For who?
The cow.
There's the hay. Okay. So which one are we going to get? That one?
This one.
Okay.
This one looks
So,
good.
you got to grab onto this handle.
This thing and pull it back. Oh, no,
Yeah.
forward.
And then you do it this way to the side. And it changes the pointer. See that? Okay, now drive. See the center of the hay bale? The hay roll? You gotta crash that spear right into the center. Steer it good.
Here we go.
Alright, now pick it up with the handle. Go backwards. This way. You're picking it up. Look at that. You raised it up in the air. Ah. Okay, ready? Alright, let's back up.
Beep, 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 beep.
How do you know it goes beep beep?
I just know beep.
Alright.
Beep, beep, beep.
You think they're gonna be happy to get some food?
Yeah, we're gonna go kazunk right in the booty butts.
We're gonna poke them with the hay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Turn this way. We're gonna go find some cows who are
Choo
hungry.
choo, chicka chicka choo choo.
Here we come, cow people.
Here we come, cow people.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry, booty?
All right, you gotta aim for the gate over there. See it? Oh, way over that way.
Over that way.
Driving, keep driving. Be careful, we can't fall in the ditch. There's a ditch over there.
Where's the ditch?
You can't see it because of the hay. Well, that's crazy. How are we gonna get over the ditch? Oh. Look, here comes all your cow friends. Look at them. They are excited, aren't they?
Don't you dare get out.
Okay, we're gonna take it to the other gate. They can't get in here. We're safe.
But the door's open.
Okay, you wanna close it?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Running. The cows are running.
Oh, here they come. They're coming towards the fence. Oh, look at the babies kicking up their heels. You see it?
Go, 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 go.
know their name.
Some of them are eating it. They're eating it.
Look at this one right here.
Oh, there's see that one? I think that one's Sprinkles. Is that one Sprinkles?
No,
Which one's Sprinkles?
she's over there. She's coming.
Oh.
Look at them. They're moving the hay. Ready to hit them? Give them a little nudge.
Yeah, let him know.
Let's hit the bull.
Yeah.
Boom. There he is. He's that big one right there. Boom.
Where's the bull? Oh, there's the bull. There's two bulls. Oh, there's two bulls. Oh my gosh, there's one over there. Where's the bull?
There they go.
Where's the bull? The bull. Where's the bull? Close the gate. Close the door. Close the door.
Safe. Here they come. Where do you want to put the hay? Over here?
Yeah. Close the door. Close the door.
Look how happy they are. They already got hay on their heads. Isn't that funny? Alright, can you put the hay down for dude?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
I just do it like this.
Yeah, push it forward. Push hard. There you go. You did it. Now dude backs up and there's the hay. Like that.
Yeah.
Now we got to get that black ring and put it on there so you don't mess up the hay, okay? Look at them. Ooh, they were hungry, huh?
Where do you think the ball is?
Hmm?
Where do you think the ball is? Oh, there he is. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Okay, we got to get out of here, right?
No, we can hit him
Yeah,
back.
you did it. Look at that. Can you raise it up some more?
Yeah.
Wow, perfect, right there. Now we go over to the hay, and you're gonna set it on top like a crown, okay? There's the bull. See him?
Where?
The one with the earring. See how he's got an earring on?
Oh, there's a ball. So
Look at her booty in our way. Give her a little bump. Say, boop. Okay, now lower the crown on there.
Oh,
Oh, the other way. There you go. Perfect.
now what?
Now we just back up. And there you go. Look what you did. Put it on there. Let's just watch them.
No.
They won't come over here because they're eating. Look. Now you can just look at them. Just think of that. See? That's Sprinkle's daughter. Her name is Teen.
Where's Team?
Yeah, that's Teen.
Where's Team? Oh, here comes.
That's the little guy.
Here comes the ball.
He's just sniffing us.
Close the gate.
Saying he's gonna go eat. The baby likes you because you're little too. See that? Aren't they funny? All four of them, they hang out together because they go to school together. Like you and your friends. They do crafts out in the field. You think they do Play-Doh? Or just mud?
Just mud.